Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Wednesday, November 11. The time is around 3 a.m. GMT. Today we'll be looking at the chart of oil. This is the December contract, the front end, 60 minutes chart. We can see right here that uh, since it bottomed on the November 2nd at $33.65, it has rallied here. The structure of the rally looks to be a five waves here: one, two, three, four, five. Now there are alternates for this, but for now we're counting this as a five waves. We still got the divergence here, and as long as the divergence is still there, we can still count it as a five waves. Now a couple of things to note very quickly is that this 3 right now is shorter than the 1, but that's okay. Elliott wave, right? The 3 doesn't need to be in the longest. Is the requirement is that it should not be in the shortest wave. Now because the 3 right now is shorter than the 1, so that means this 5, it has to be shorter than the 3. So that will be something we need to pay attention to. So if you measure the extension here, so the 100% is 43.7. So this rally should not go past above 43.7. If it does pass above 43.7, this is no longer a 1 2 3 4 5 anymore, because then the 3 will be in the shortest wave if that happens, right? So for now, as long as the divergence is here, as long as this one does not go above 43.7, we still can consider this move here as a five-ways move, right? Now a couple of things here to look at. So you can see in the low here at 33.65 is labeled as a wave 2, right? So that means this is going higher in a wave 3, right? In this degree, in the red degree here. And so that means that the direction, right, the larger degree direction is up. And yes, we can be finishing this wave 5 here soon. However, because this is labeled as a wave 2, that means this pullback later on should continue to find support for more upside. So this 5 way should be ending with 1 in the primary degree, and then from there we might be able to get a 3 pullback before the next leg higher. So this is going to be in the key level 33.65. As long as this one is holding, we should continue to see more upside. Now there are alternates, which is a more bullish scenario, in which if you see the divergence is erased, for example the momentum starts to erase the divergence, and you see this one starts to rally above 43.7, then this can become a nest, something like this, a 1 2 1 2, and that means we can be in a wave 3 of 3, and it keeps extending higher then, if that's the case, into a bigger 5 ways up. So that will be something to sort of look at. Now let's take a look in the larger degree a bit. If we look at the daily chart, we put the label wave 2 here, this wave 2 right here, right? So we can see that again this is a December contract. Since we bottom here in April, right, in April we've been rallying, and you can see this pullback here is clearly a 3 swing here, 1 2 3, right? In fact, if you measure this is a perfect 3 swings and ending around 100% extension, right? And then it bounces very strongly. So you can see it has the look of trying to break above this previous wave 1 here. Now we have not done it, but it looks like we might be able to get it and break above 1. Now if it does break above 1 here, that should confirm that this is really your wave 2, that the correction is really over, and we are not going to be doing, let's say, a double zigzag or something like that. Double zigzag will look like this, right? But again, it looks pretty promising that we can actually break above 1, especially considering that the move higher from this 2 in red here, this move higher that we see in the shorter cycle, it looks to be a 5 waves move, right? So all in all, then we are expecting, based on this view, we are expecting a lot more upside actually, right? The larger degree expecting a lot more upside. In fact, if this is really wave 3, it should go to, it can go to even 1.618 extension, which is 64, but of course it's not going to happen overnight or even a week. uh, this is a daily chart, right? After all, it's going to happen in months, and maybe I'm not sure about 1 year, but I think at least months to go if we're going to continue to extend higher. Now the 100% extension minimum target, so to speak, is going to be 52.6. So you can see we're still way below, whatever the minimum target is. So obviously the larger degree is pointing higher, it looks to me, and we still have to break above 1 still, but it looks promising, like I said, because the move higher looks to be like a 5 ways right now. Okay, so that's the update here. Now of course, if you want to see more regular updates, you can check our service. We have 14 days free trial for you, and the link is provided in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.